Hi there, publishing time. So the next book we need to publish is this book, How Expert Guide to New Haven, Connecticut. 101 plus tips to learn about, discover the best places to eat, play, and stay in New Haven, Connecticut. How Expert with Rick Pecca. So go check out this book. For those of you who want to check out Connecticut, this book has 101 plus tips. Matter of fact, it came out to like 140 plus tips. Shout out to Mr. Rick Pecca. This is the description here, real quick. Okay. So we're just gonna get started with Amazon. Okay, let's just start with Amazon for right now. I have the ebook, paperback, and hardback ready, but for time purposes, I'm just gonna do the Kindle. Okay. Let me just open this up in a new tab. So just double checking real quick. Book title, subtitle, everything's good to go. Author, contributors, description, everything's here. Publishing rights, keywords, categories, pick two. Age, grade optional, so skip pre-order. I'm ready to release my book now. Save and continue. So all the documents have been uploaded. Now I do have a new cover. Thanks to our designer. So hold on one sec. So I'm uploading the cover right now, real quick. Okay. So that's processing. No, let's do one platform at a time. Okay, ISBN, then publisher name, save and continue. Where do I get the ISBN? I get it from myidentifiers.com, but it's not necessary for ebooks, but I like to get an ISBN for all my products. Okay. Now, while this is processing, let me see what's the status for Apple, okay? So for Apple, they have a platform called Apple Books for Authors that's accessible through the internet. Back in the days, you need to have an Apple computer to publish to Apple, but not anymore. Now you can do a web portal, Apple Books for Authors. You need an iTunes Connect account. I know it's kind of complicated, but you can do it. To do that, you need to upload the EPUB file, okay? And the EPUB in the sample file, I do chapter 1 and the cover, okay? Having said that, let me just go back to Kindle. It's almost done. Let's finish this up first. Yeah, everything's good to go. I do not do KDP Select. This is mostly for fiction writers, or people want to just rank on, use a free promotion for the first 90 days. You can do that. I would do that if I really want to focus on one book, but I have so many books. For simplicity purpose, I uncheck that and then I can publish on other platforms as well. Territories, all territories. One launch strategy is to do KDP Select for the first 90 days, then unselect it, then publish it wide to all platforms. But again, to me, that's a little, if you have a lot of books, that could be complicated sometimes. Okay, territories, all territories, 70%, and $9.99 for all the platforms. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm going to click on Publish, Kindle. Congratulations, your Kindle ebook has been submitted. Awesome. Now let's move on to the next platform, Apple. Continue. Okay, so now we got to put in the fantastic details. Okay, so we're going to do that right here. This is great. Okay. Let me try this for 1 second. Boom. Okay. I'm pasting it twice. New Haven, Connecticut. Got it. Got it. Description. Most platforms don't like website description, so I'm going to take that out right here. Even for my publishing website, I'll take it out. Even for the authors, you know. So I take it out. Everything's good to go. The spacing, just double check everything real quick. Got it. Continue. And regarding, I'm going to have to pick most likely travel. Somebody, U.S. This is for categories, by the way. Connecticut. Okay. Just fantastic. North. Let me just do general United States. We did that? Okay, great. Cool. Continue. Okay. ISBN, 1 second. Okay, so I got my ISBN from mydevprice.com for this particular book. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, and then we're gonna click upload book to iTunes Connect. Now this takes a little bit of time, so we're gonna move on to the next platform, okay, which is Google Play Books Partner Program. Sorry, Google Play Books. Okay. Okay, we got it right here. So start from the top. Just double check everything. Okay. I don't know why the text to my team members, just double check this is correct text because we don't want any fonts here, okay? That's why I use Notepad and paste it here. Page count, awesome. Save and continue. Okay, great categories, awesome. 5 categories. Thank you to our team for setting it up perfectly. Save and continue. Okay, advanced, just to check everything. Awesome, perfect logo. Show PDF, say that because if you upload the PDF version, 1 second as I upload the new cover. Okay, so uploading, awesome. Close, continue, save and continue, 999, publish. Congratulations, you successfully added your book to Google Play and Google Books. Awesome. Okay, so now the next platform, let me just go back to iTunes Connect real quick, Apple, okay? We're going to go to the left corner because it's going to pop up the new books right here. Let's refresh it. That was a previous book. No, it's not. It hasn't appeared yet. So we're going to continue to the next platform, which is Barnes & Noble for right now. Simplicity purposes. Save and continue. Save and continue. Of everything just going through real quick. Categories, keywords. Fantastic. I don't know what's going on here. I think we got to take it out like that. Okay, cool. Save and continue. Cool. Save and continue. Barnes & Noble. Put on sale. Put on sale. It's already uploaded the new cover. And I think it should be processing. Yeah, Barnes & Noble pretty simple. Actually, Kobo is simpler, I think. So that is processing now. Publishing, okay? Pending. Next platform is Kobo. I actually did all this stuff already, so I'm going to just click publish, all right? Publish. Okay. I already entered the information, so that's all published. Now, what else? That's pretty much for all the ebook platforms. Okay. Now, 1 second. Now, let's take a look at Ingramspark. You know, this is for paperback and hardback setup. So I'm going to take a look at the hardback. It's paperback setup, okay? This is when you do you don't do expanded distribution on Amazon Kindle publishing, okay? In order to do Ingramspark, uncheck expanded distribution. So, okay, so let's take a look real quick on the copyrights, author names, categories, imprint, audience, descriptions, correct, spacing, awesome, keywords are nice, continue, separated by semicolons, not comma, by the way. The way I like to do is 6x9, black and white, cream, hardback, okay? And when we do hardback, we do case laminate, gloss, page count needs to end in an even number, okay? United States, Already got the pricing here down. I'm just gonna check real quick and continue. Now I don't have all the design yet, but I'm gonna stop here for a second, okay? Let's move on to the next platform, paperbacks. Title, print, ISBN, language, and by the way, click on show more to enter the subtitle, by the way, okay? That's very important. Okay, just double check everything. This hardcover and paperback process is the same, by the way, on Ingramspark. So that makes it easier. Black and white, 6x9, cream, and this time paperback. And when I choose paperback for Ingramspark, the options I choose is perfect bound, gloss, page count, add one page. So make it an even number. That's how you need it actually. Put the pricing, and then check, and then continue. Okay, now 1 second. I'm going to upload the interior again because the interior for PD for Ingramspark, I don't know exactly what the terms are, but the font has to be embedded, okay? And you do that by doing a certain way, saving the file in a certain way using Microsoft Word. For some reason, some computers don't work, so I'm going to upload it right now, correct one. Yeah, so for Ingramspark, I saved it as projects, okay? For ACX, I can't do it right now yet because I need the book to be published in order to make it an ACX job post to find narrators to turn it into an audiobook, okay? But that is another platform that once I publish the ebook, the next thing I will do is I will go to this page at the top corner right, click on add your title. I'll search for the particular book here by the ISBN name or the BSIN name and search it and click on this is my book and move on to the next steps to turn it as a book, turn it into an audio project job to eventually hire the right narrator for that project. Okay, that's ACX. Findawayvoices is kind of like ACX, but I like to set it up first just to prepare. So I'll click on I want to sound exist in the audiobook, even though I don't have one. Okay, so okay, Connecticut. Let's put in the title. I don't put the subtitle in the project name. And then I just fill in the details here from here, okay? So let's do that real quick. By the way, before we do that, since I see apples, let's do Apple real quick. I know I'm jumping around, man. Because we're almost finished with Apple, might as well. We're gonna click on this in iTunes Connect. Click on rights and pricing. Click on allow countries. Click on apply DRM. Click on base currency USD. Release type new. Release physical price is $19.99. Suggested Apple Books price, which is the ebook, $9.99. And under countries and regions, click select all. Go down, click on continue. Okay, so everything's good to go. Go down, click confirm. Scroll down again one more time, click done. That should be done, I think. And one more time, I believe, click done at the bottom. Okay, so there you go. That's how to publish to Apple Bookstore. And this book will be published to 51 related Apple Bookstores soon. Okay, now moving on to the next platform, Findawayvoices. This is a platform for audiobooks. So once the book on ACX is finished, audiobook, what I would go is basically publish the audio files here because it's a great additional platform in addition to Amazon. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to upload the description here real quick. It has to be 2,000 characters or less, so I might have to cut it short. Okay, yeah, it's 2020. So what I'm going to do is I just last sentences. Is that it? No, I'm gonna kind of shorten this a little bit. Let me just shorten the last sentence. Is that good? We still got to do it. Okay. Let me take out this for now real quick. Can does that work? No, we got to do this again. I'm gonna have to cut this out. Okay, real quick. Okay, that works. Okay, just publisher details. Also, real quick, what else? Abridgment, unabridged language has to be, it's English, obviously. Keywords, you have to put one by one, okay? So, like New Haven, for example, add, you don't do it by separate. New Haven, Connecticut, Connecticut, okay? Something like that, okay? Let me do that. Let me do just nonfiction. You could add more keywords for time purposes. I'm just gonna move along. Adult keywords. Let me type a new. Let me try type of Connecticut. No. New England for tourist. Travel. Okay. And let me pick a secondary category related to travel in US maybe. It's kind of a little bit harder to find, but let's see. Fantastic. United States. I'm looking for general. Go to the top usually. There you go. Fantastic. Save changes. Okay, now for USBN, you don't need to have your own ISBN, but again, I like to have my own ISBN for everything. So the audiobook ISBN that's used for retail can be the same as library. I looked into the fact for this Findawayvoices. I'm going to do that real quick. 1 second. Okay, let's get going right here. I got the ISBN real quick. Boom. Again, for the retail and library can be the same. Thank you. Okay, now 1 second. Whatever date is, I just picked whatever the current date is, right? I want to change it when it gets published later on. Copyright year. Copyright year. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Okay, let's continue on real quick. Save changes. The pricing, I do $19.99. And library price to $49.99. Okay, usually higher price. Okay, now I gotta do something real quick, show you real quick. This is where you put in the audiobook cover, okay? I didn't get to show this earlier. Once you have the cover, do that. And next thing, distribution. Standard versus Voices Plus. I always do Voices Plus because it reaches out to more of the stores. It reaches out to 45, okay? But you gotta uncheck. Click on View Detailed List or Edit Network and uncheck Apple and Audible, Amazon, because you don't want duplicate audios that are gonna, because ACX uses Apple and Audible and Amazon, and honestly ACX is owned by Amazon, so I want to have a good relationship with ACX, so always uncheck. Okay, I know you can make a little bit more using Findawayvoices to Apple or something like that, but I like multiple streams of income. I recommend that strategy. Okay, so go down here and click on confirm selections. Okay, now next thing it says audio. Okay, I don't have the audio files yet, obviously, but once it's done, I'm just gonna upload here, move on to the next steps, and publish. Okay, so there you go. You have it here. Real quick, real life example, publishing a book to multiple platforms, to all the multiple stores out there. Okay, bookstores such as Amazon, Google, Apple, Kobo, Ingramspark, and additional platforms like ACX and Findawayvoices. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. And by the way, if you want to learn more about book publishing and self-publishing, click the link below the video and check out my recommended resources like my course, done for you service, or Write for My Publishing Company. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.